In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove desktop shortcut icons in Windows 10 and Windows 11. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up your desktop safely, what each type of icon means, and how to avoid deleting something important. First, let's make sure we're dealing with shortcuts. A shortcut usually has a small arrow on its icon. Deleting a shortcut does not remove the actual program or file it points to. It only removes the quick link from your desktop. To remove one, click the icon once to select it. Then press Delete on your keyboard or right-click it and choose Delete. If you see a confirmation prompt, just approve it. The icon will move to the recycle bin, so if you change your mind, you can open the recycle bin and restore it. If the icon doesn't have that little arrow and looks like a real file or folder you created, be careful. Deleting it will remove the actual item. When you're unsure, right-click the icon, choose Properties, and look at the target or location. If it shows a path to a program in Program Files or a file somewhere else, that's a shortcut. If the location is your desktop and it's a document, image, or folder you made, consider moving it to a better folder instead of deleting it. Some desktop icons are system icons, like This PC, Recycle Bin, Network, or Control Panel. Those aren't standard shortcuts and won't always delete the same way. To remove or show them, right-click an empty area of your desktop, choose Personalize, then go to Themes and click Desktop Icon Settings. Uncheck the icons you don't want to see, then click Apply and OK. This keeps your system tidy without actually removing any functionality. If you try to delete a shortcut and Windows says you need permission, it might be an all-users shortcut stored in the public desktop. You can still remove it. Just approve the administrator prompt. If you're on a work or school device, your organization might prevent changes, in which case you'll need admin rights. If your goal is a completely clean view without moving anything, you can temporarily hide everything. Right-click the desktop, point to View, and toggle off Show Desktop Icons. This doesn't delete anything. It simply hides the icons until you turn them back on the same way. Finally, once you're done, consider emptying the recycle bin to free up space. If you ever remove the wrong shortcut, restore it from the recycle bin, or recreate it by right-clicking the app in the Start menu and choosing Open File Location. Then right-clicking the executable and selecting Create Shortcut.